Hello friends, today we'll show you how to install Glen's Ductfree Chimney. Inside the box, you'll find the chimney unit, stainless steel baffle filters, 2 carbon filters, the mounting kit and the user manual. The chimney must be installed centrally above the cooktop, maintaining a minimum distance of 750 millimeters from the cooking surface. Remove the baffle filters to prepare the chimney for wall mounting. Position the chimney against the wall, align it centrally, check with a spirit level and mark the drilling points. Drill the marked holes carefully and insert the wall plugs firmly. Now hang the chimney on these 2 screws and mark the 2 bottom holes. Remove chimney, drill the holes and put wall plugs. Now hang the chimney again. Fix the top screws first, hang the chimney securely and tighten the bottom screws from inside to ensure a firm installation. This is a duct-free chimney operating in recirculation mode. Install the 2 carbon filters on either side of the motor housing and rotate them to lock. Fix the baffle filters. Switch on the chimney and test all speeds to ensure smooth operation. If there is no obstruction above the chimney, the top cover can be removed to further improve airflow. And that's it. Your Glen Ductfree Chimney is ready to use. For any assistance, Glen service is always just a call away.